Here's how I went TikTok viral and gained 100,000 followers overnight. Does that sound familiar? Yeah, it's all over TikTok. Here's a realistic view of what growing on TikTok looks like for the average person like me. I created this TikTok, I want to say in August, and I have been posting 3 times a day, probably since September. 3 videos a day, every day, and I have just over 300 followers. That being said, just because I don't have thousands of followers on TikTok, every single client that we have has come from TikTok, has found us on TikTok, and we're making money because I'm reaching the right people. I don't need to reach 100,000 people. Exposure is great, going viral is great, and if it happens, awesome. But in the meantime, I'm reaching the people that I need to reach to sell my service and my offer and to be able to help them scale their business. That's what matters. TikTok is a great platform for getting exposure to new people all the time, and it's great, and I've steadily grown. I'm okay with that because I'm growing in a sustainable way. I'm targeting the right people and I'm getting business, and that's what matters. So don't get caught up in the secrets of how to go viral and get 2 million views on your video and gain 100,000 followers. It's a vanity metric. Focus on reaching the right audience with keywords and hashtags and your content and talking to your target audience. That's what matters. So if that sounds like you, if you want a sustainable way to grow on TikTok, like and follow so you don't miss out.